we're running out of places to put our stuff. A lot of times people talk about plastic water bottles. Well, what happens to the manufacturer when they make that water bottle, when you buy it at the store, when you consume it, and you throw it away or recycle it? Well, there's a cost to every step in that phase, whether again, it's dollars or affecting the environment. Helping companies understand those costs and track those costs as part of the responsibility of manufacturing is something that we're seeing in Europe and eventually coming more into the United States. In the field of waste management, extended producer responsibility is a strategy to add all of the environmental costs associated with the product throughout its life cycle to the marketplace of that product. I'm Tim with Shapiro, and I'm passionate about making the planet better together. Historically, especially through the Industrial Revolution, we weren't too concerned about what happened after we stopped using our product. Similarly, manufacturers may have not been as concerned as they need be about what happens to the products that they produce. Essentially, that's the heart of extended producer responsibility. It's helping us all understand where things go after we're done using them. Essentially, the G part of ESG, the governance part, is going to come with rules that govern extended producer responsibility. The SEC right now has 4 main topics to understand and research in 2023. Number 4 is understanding ESG better and more deeply when it comes to manufacturers and especially publicly listed companies. This is going to trickle down to their producers, their suppliers, and everybody in the supply chain. This is important to you, and it's important to me, and it's important to the next generation. The real benefit of extended producer responsibility isn't really even with what happens to that product once it leaves the manufacturing site, enters the market, and gets to the end of life. It's what happens before any of that stuff takes place. Understanding extended producer responsibility ultimately is going to lead to better designs that have less of an impact on the environment. It could attack things like designing for obsolescence, where you might have a phone that is old in 2 years. How can we think about the design in such a way that it doesn't need to be thrown away, that it can be recycled, refurbished, or maybe just needs a new chip to get the latest updates? That's how we think about things in a system and in a cycle. Extended producer responsibility helps us see what happens with that product in that cycle. If you want to learn more and help make the planet better together, subscribe to this channel.